Hi, in this video tutorial I'm gonna create a scene with footpath and pedestrian walking in it and like a small park. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm going to create rectangles. So I have first rectangle. I'm gonna modify the parameters to maybe uh, 30 by 60, and I'm gonna create another one, a bigger one. So I'm gonna clone the bigger rectangle for later, so I'm gonna choose it. I'm gonna choose clone and copy. Alright, uh, after that I'm gonna create lines, and they're gonna be like the footpath for my pedestrian. So we start from here. I'm gonna create few. It doesn't matter how you want them to look like, just as simple as you want. If you press right click, you stop the line. Alright, then I'm gonna choose this rectangle. I'm gonna convert it to editable spline, and I'm gonna attach all the lines I created before. Also, I'm gonna choose one of the rectangles. Great. I will go to spline mode. I will select all, Control A, and I'm gonna put here, I'm gonna change it to center. I'm gonna add it like maybe 5. Yeah, seems like okay, good. And I will go, I will do trim here so I can trim all the footpath, all the intersections. I know it's take a while, but yeah, maybe I created too many, but that's okay. With this one here, I'm just gonna move the vertex, maybe. Just gonna move this vertex. Maybe if I choose the snap mode. Snap, okay, that's better. I'll go back to spline with trim, trim. All done. I will get out of the spline mode. I will go to the vertex mode. I will select all of them and I will choose weld. Great. The next step I'm gonna use a bevel modifier. So either bevel or extrude. I think I'm gonna choose the bevel first if it works. So I'm gonna change it here to default shape. Yeah, bevel, the height of 0.2, and maybe this one is 0.15. Yeah, maybe 0.5. No, not 0. Yep, yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, and also for the and I'm gonna give it the color gray. The other rectangle, I'm gonna add also maybe extrude modifier, because I don't need much, I just need the color, maybe just 0.1. Just gonna give it the color green, maybe different green. Looks nice. So the next step I'm gonna do is I'm going to create a target camera. So just gonna put it wherever I want. Just gonna go back to the 4 viewports with this one for the camera. I'm just gonna move my camera around. So if I go up here, can change the target. Yep. And then I'm gonna start recording my scene. So I'll press auto, and every time I move my camera, it will start locking the key in this position. Sorry, I think I did something wrong. I should remove this one first to the 20 frame, and I'll move my camera around. Maybe I will go the next one for the closer one. Yeah, I think that's enough. The next step I'm going to do is add the populate. So I click here. I can create flow or create a standing people or sitting. So I press here and I will just start to create just a flow of people, pedestrian, let's say. I can do as much as I want. I can choose both genders or male, female. Can you put them running or can put them running or walking. I can make it more dense or not. Couple more. I can add people here too, like a rectangle of people, or maybe just a random shape, whatever I want. can put sitting people. Here is how many frames it's gonna run through. And if I go here to modify and see this and check the flow, this is the width of the footpath, the lane spacing, and the direction, the density. I can make it less or more. I can make them running or not walking. It doesn't matter, whatever I like. So that's, yeah, that's good. When I'm happy, I'll just make this one bigger, Alt W, and just put stimulate. It takes few seconds, so we just need to wait. Here they are. So if I move my navigation bar, so just you can see, wow, I just feel like the camera is a bit glitching, so I'm just gonna go back, select the camera. I'm just gonna go to curve editor and start to make it a little bit smoother. Just seems to me it's a bit too, it's not that smooth moving around. I just need it a bit more smooth. Okay, so if I go back to my scene here and then just move my navigation bar again, it seems more smooth now. Yep, some people are walking, some people are running. Yep, thank you for watching.